Alright, yes you guys, it's Ibarman, and as you all know, I'm a Jamaican living here in France. And so today, this video will be about 5 things I miss about Jamaica, about back home. Let's get on with it. Number 1. So the first thing I miss is simply the food. To be honest, I miss rundown, ackee and saltfish, kalaloo, dumpling, cabbage, banana, everything you can think of. I simply miss it. And being in a new country, you really have to adapt your taste buds, and that's been one of the most difficult things for me. Even when I try to create these same recipes or the same dishes by getting the ingredients here, it's not the same still, because for one, the things don't taste the same. Let's just use some seasonings, for example, like ginger. Back home, I could just use one piece of ginger, like something the size of here, and that would be sufficient for a dish. It would be quite strong. But here, I have to use the entire thing. Even when it comes to vegetables, vegetables here don't taste as potent as back home. They taste fresh, like they miss salt. There's no natural salt, if that makes sense. And yeah, and to be even honest, I think if I were still in Jamaica, I would not even be vegan. Even though it was on my list, I don't think I would have been a vegan as yet. Number 2, fruit trees. As you can see here in France, there are a lot of trees, and I'll show you some soon. Well, it's winter now, or winter's ending, so the trees are coming back to life soon enough. Well, yeah, so back home you'd have ackee trees, mango tree, all sorts of trees, and you could get your fruit from these trees. Here in France, if you want fruits, you have to just get them at the supermarket, get them at some place. You just don't have the liberty of asking your neighbor to say, yo, give me to your mango them now, give me to your apple them now, give me to one and something. You don't have that freedom here in France, or not where I live at least, so that's something I miss. Number 3, I miss going to church, yeah. Because church here in France is not the same as back home. Church back home, you have energy, you have vibes, you like being there, you sweat. Coming here, no one sweats in church. And when they were once having this praise break, I was like, yeah, it's praise break. But then it was so, hallelujah, glory, praise you. Yeah, bless you, Jesus. So I was not used to that, because I was ready to shout on top of my lungs, you know. So that's something that I miss from back home. I miss that energy, that fresh energy. So we don't have that here, and I really, really miss it. So yeah, time for a praise break.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
So that's something we do back home, and here we don't really have that, so I really, really miss that. Yeah, whew, I really miss that from back home, because here in France, we don't have that. We don't have that in France. I really miss that from back home. But yeah, and I had to recondition myself a lot, because I don't want to come into people's country and change their system, ruin their church vibe, ruin their church experience. So whenever we were praying or having praise and worship, I just hummed. In fact, what I did once was, late in the night, I went to the beach and I had my service there, so yeah. And number 4, the 4th thing I miss would be music. Back home, I'm used to hearing music all the time. There's music on a Sunday, it could be gospel, it could be whole hits.
And I feel like I wanna go home.
There's music on a Friday, maybe your neighbor's playing something. There's music on a Saturday. But here, no one really plays music like that. I play music in my apartment. I think I'm disturbing my neighbors, so I really miss that about back home. So yeah, I sort of miss that music that's in my blood, the music that's around me. We really don't have that as much. Number 5, I miss going to the beach. Even though while back home I didn't go to the beach a lot, being here makes me realize how much I miss it. How much I miss the river, just any body of water that is from back home. And just one basic example. Back home at beaches, you have people selling fried fish, you have people selling maybe bami or festival. People are just selling things on the beach, and you have like peanut cake drops on them things there. So basically I miss it from back home. Here you just have plain water, and the water really feels different, so I sort of miss that a lot. As much as I love France, it's just not the same. It's really not the same. France is a really nice place, but I miss back home. I miss back home. So anyways, guys, if you're Jamaican and you're living in France, wherever you're living, just simply write down in the comments below something that you miss about back home. And if you're not Jamaican and you're living in a foreign country, just tell us where you're from, where you're living, and what you miss most about your home country. With that said, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscription button and tap the notification bell. With that said, see you guys next week. Ciao, ciao. Okay, yes, you guys, so here we have a little rapper, Didan. He's a young French rapper. Hope you guys like him and just check him out, alright?
Je suis posé au quartier, le guetteur à l'entrée, les keufs m'ont interpellé. Mais c'est pas la première fois qu'il a un putain de casier judiciaire. Nous les keufs on est caillasse, le quartier crie à race, la putain de vérité. C'est la putain de vérité.
So I want to go back home. Not to stay and live, but to visit.